Zealand has one of the most advanced and secure food safety systems in the world. In response to recent events, the New Zealand government has reviewed the security controls that protect infant and other formula during all production and processing steps, and has strengthened the system even further by introducing additional security layers. This video explains how the food safety system and the additional measures put in place work together to make sure we are confident of the safety of New Zealand's formula products. As always, we advise consumers not to use products that look as if they may have been tampered with. For example, seals broken or punctured. All New Zealand formula producers use sophisticated manufacturing systems that meet strict safety standards. Manufacturers also test for quality, safety and nutrition at several steps throughout the production and manufacturing system. The Ministry for Primary Industries has worked with dairy manufacturers to introduce additional security measures. Samples kept from products made as far back as September 2014 were tested extensively. This gives us a high level of confidence that no product on shelves has been contaminated through the production and manufacturing process. The manufacturing process begins when fresh milk is stored on the farm. It's then collected in sealed tankers by the dairy company, who will collect samples from every farm for quality testing. These samples from each farm are sent to laboratories that are audited to international standards and approved by the Ministry for Primary Industries. Tankers take the milk to the dairy company's factory, where it goes into large silos and is stored. A sample from each milk tanker is then tested for chemical residues. Tankers are cleaned daily. The milk goes into a hygienically sealed and secure production system to keep it clean and protect it from contamination. Ingredients are added and then more quality testing is done by the dairy company. The liquid milk is then processed into milk powder. This powder is protected while being processed and is packed into bags. Samples are taken and sent for testing to be sure that the milk powder has not been contaminated at any point or through any of the ingredients. Some of the milk powder is then sent to be made into products in New Zealand. Milk powder is then mixed with nutrients and vitamins to make a range of products including infant formula, which is then packed. During packing, high-security cleaning systems keep these products free of contaminants. This includes keeping cans upside down and flushing with purified air just before they are filled and sealed. Samples are taken and sent for 1080 testing to again be sure that the milk powder has not been contaminated at any point or through any of the ingredients. Finished and packaged formula is also tested by the dairy company to ensure it is safe, wholesome, and meets all nutritional standards. The products are then securely transported through every stage of their distribution. Retailers check the products and keep them safe before they're purchased. You can be sure New Zealand infant and other formula products are of the highest quality, have been produced using a world-class food safety system, and are free of 1080. You can find additional advice about safety and security checks you can do when buying New Zealand infant and other formula products by watching our video about how to tell if a package has been tampered with. Alternatively, you can find more information here at foodprotection.govt.nz. Or you can call the New Zealand Ministry for Primary Industries on 0800 008 333.